It's so nice that it's starting to get warm enough where I can ride my bike again. Like, it just makes me sad, makes my heart sad, knowing that it's just sitting around waiting on some good weather. Some would even say maybe I'm not that dedicated, but I don't like freezing. Anyway, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me for today's video. I appreciate you guys' time. So today's gonna be really short, sweet, I suppose. I simply need to change out the exhaust for the stock one there, just because I have to pass inspection, and that one is just a bit too loud for the decibel reading, so that's why I'm changing it out. After that, we'll discuss a little bit of what's upcoming for the Forester, or should be, and then maybe I'll talk a little bit about what the family and I has been doing in preparation of moving back to the States, or rather was doing. But yeah, let's get into it. Another thing that hurts my soul, you guys, having a stock exhaust on my bike. Let's give it a rev or two, shall we? Well, that's done. That was pretty quick. Before somebody hems me up in the comments, I don't know if you guys are into that or whatever, but I did not hook up these cables because, like I mentioned, this is going for inspection tomorrow. Pass inspection, come home, immediately take this off, and it's good to go. So, no need to hook those up whatsoever. Okay, let's have a little bit of a chat, everybody. If you remember in the last couple of videos, I mentioned that myself and my family, our time in Germany, I guess you guys are included because you've been following along for quite some time. Our time in Germany was supposed to be coming to an end. My family and I were supposed to be in the States now, like at this time. And obviously we're not. I'm still sitting in my little garage here in Germany. So there was kind of a communication error from the top down, or in between, or whatever you want to say. There was a lack of communication, and our date of moving has been pushed back to the latter part of this year. One, because of the information flow, and two, we are expecting our second child. It's going to be a boy, and we're pretty pumped on that. That'll be another cool adventure to start, I suppose, as a full-time dad. But yeah, we're both looking forward to that, and that's why we're still here. With the whole move and everything, we had started to kind of pre-pack everything December, January, February, March, coming into April. You know, trying to get everything prepped and ready for the move, getting stuff we're gonna, you know, take with us on the plane, and stuff that we'll have sent, you know, through the system and shipped back over to the States. And with all that, there's been, I mean, everything was put on the back burner. Content and travel, and not that we can travel anyway because of all the bans and restrictions and things like that still going on here in Germany due to COVID, but everything was kind of put on the back burner. So, I mean, there was nothing really to film, you know, just kind of hanging around the house, packing boxes. I don't know how interesting that would be, but there's that. But now that we're going to be here longer, hopefully later this week, I will be placing some more parts on order for the Subaru so that I can continue shooting content and get it put out for everybody, as well as my personal enjoyment of further kind of diving into the project and getting it sculpted, if you will, to what I want it to be. And I'm very much looking forward to that. Speaking of content on the Forester, I'm going to talk a little bit about my channel. I know my channel is largely based on the Forester and Subaru and vehicle content in general. Man, there's a lot of motorcycles out riding right now. Inspection, and I can get out and ride. Sidetracked. Most of my content's focused around vehicle stuff. The Subaru is pretty much coming to an end, if you will. The project's getting very close to being done. You know, I got wheels and tires, suspension to put on it, the coilovers. I got a few, like the side panels on the door, I want to change those out. Do a wrap job on it, and that's really about it. So the content for the channel is going to really start to slow down more so than what it is currently. One, because I don't have a ton of projects. Your boy ain't rich. I don't have a lot of cash flow coming in, so projects have to be bare minimal. You know what I'm saying? So my question is, what do you guys want to see from me? Would you like to see like kind of what I do on a daily basis? Would you like to see more of what I do when I'm not messing around with cars, like taking my bike out for a ride, or I have kind of more of an endurance athlete, so I'll do like really long mountain bike rides. I'll go out on really long runs just around the area. I like to skateboard. I put, I think, 1 or 2 videos out of skateboarding. Like, what do you guys want to see from me? The more open and I don't know, I guess that's the best way to say it. The more open I can be, the more content I can put out on hopefully a weekly basis. Like, it can always be something a little bit different. And just doing car stuff, like I said, I don't have this baller revenue source coming in, so I can't shoot cars forever. But my question is, again, what do you guys want to see from me? So please leave me some comments, shoot me some comments on Instagram or some DMs on Instagram. Ask me some questions. Maybe I can do a question video. I'll be happy to answer any questions that sent over. Those are always kind of interesting for me to watch personally on YouTube. Kind of get to know, you guys will get to know me better with what you want to know about me. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there and see what I get. Outside of that, I have nothing else left to do today. Like I said, quick video, nice and short. Just kind of wanted to say hey, let you guys kind of know what's going on with the move and with the Forester, and also with the future of the channel. See what's going on with that. So you guys know what to do. Drop a thumbs up. Go ahead and tag that subscription button if you have not already. And I'll catch you guys in the next episode, hopefully with some comments and questions from you all. Cheers.